Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your motherboard. Replacing your motherboard can significantly upgrade your computer's performance. Before you begin, it's crucial to ensure your new motherboard is compatible with your current CPU, RAM, and PC case. Always back up your data to an external drive, as you may need to reinstall your operating system. Also, gather essential tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and thermal paste. Compatibility is key for a smooth upgrade. First, check that your new motherboard's form factor, like ATX or micro ATX, fits your case. Next, confirm the CPU socket type, such as AM4 or LGA 1700, matches your processor. Also, verify your RAM type, whether it's DDR4 or DDR5, and its speed are supported by both the new motherboard and your CPU for optimal performance. Now, let's get to the physical installation. Begin by powering down your PC, unplugging all cables, and removing any expansion cards. Carefully unscrew and remove your old motherboard. Install your CPU, RAM modules, and any two solid-state drives onto the new board while it's outside the case. Then, gently place the new motherboard into your PC case, aligning it with the standoffs, and secure it with screws. Finally, reconnect all internal cables. After installation, power on your computer. You'll likely need to install new drivers for your motherboard, which can usually be found on the manufacturer's website. It's also a good idea to update your BIOS or UEFI firmware for improved stability. Remember that your Windows license is often tied to the motherboard, so you may need to reactivate your operating system. Finally, confirm all your peripherals and ports are working as expected.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.